this PC. Perfect. All right, welcome back, everyone. This is Irvin here. Today, we are gonna be doing. Eric sent me a message and said, "Irvin, can you show us how to deal with support and resistance using Fibonacci?" So the way I'm gonna do it today is I'm gonna show you exactly how I do mine behind scenes. Even though when I do the YouTube videos on the weekend, how I analyze the market. Hopefully that help you. Like I said in the beginning, also I'm gonna give you the Fibonacci PDF that I have printed out, studied it, go over it, highlight it, do whatever you have to do, but that will help you tremendously, okay? So first thing first is, let me go ahead and read my notes. Is, as you know, support and resistance is one of the most important factor in Forex. So it's very, very important for us to know what's going on. So before we put our template, let me put the naked one so you can see it. Look, this is what I don't want you guys to do. I know you guys will be able to do it. Look at how clean this is set, guys. Oh, we know market is bullish here. So we're looking for this entry here. So instead of you drawing all the support and resistance here, there's a lot of touches in there. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, say it's plenty of it. So that's why we came up with multiple time frames, which it will have all those support and resistance already built in for you and letting you know exactly where they are located. All right, so let's go ahead and bring our template and let me show you straight up how I do mines so you are gonna start benefiting from this one. And everybody should have the Fibonacci already. As you guys, everybody know the golden Fibonacci areas. Let me delete the Fibonacci first. Please unmute yourself. Let me see. Let me delete the Fibonacci so you can see it before and after. All right. So first question that you always have to ask yourself, like always, is what is my master trend doing? As we all know, like I said in the beginning, this is a bullish market. So instead of you drawing all the support and resistance, that's why we have all this. We're looking for the major support and resistance, at least 2 multiple time frames. So which could be 4 hours and daily. Yes, 4 hours is very, very important, but it's not as strong as 2 of them. So the way how I do, this is how I do my analysis. I'll always pay attention, guys, what 4 hours and daily is doing. And usually those are the main reversal on Fibonacci. So look, let me do a little, let me do this one real quick. Let's say I would analyze this pair here, right? Let's make this bigger. So let's say this don't exist here. So if I would have to analyze the market here, let's say the market is sitting in this position here. So what I'm looking for, see, when I do the Fibonacci, this is what the world is seeing. This is what you guys are seeing as well. You guys see in reality, whatever numbers are here in real time. But my eyes, to be honest, my eyes are backward. I'm reading Fibonacci is back data. That's what I'm reading, all the data that has happened in the past. I'm looking for support and resistance in the past, and you guys are in here in the present. So if we have to analyze this market, this is what I would do. So I would look where was the previous touch and before this 4 hours and daily. So let me delete all this and then you will get it. You will get it. Just bear with me. So let's go ahead and zoom out. All right. Let me delete this stuff. Look, we're looking at this one, right? So we're looking for the previous 4 hours and daily. I'm telling you, the brothers and sisters is super freaking amazing for this one. Look at here, it's here. There's one in here, right? So this is what I would have done if I would have done the analysis. Obviously, you're not looking at that on the YouTube video. So what I would tell you, okay, guys, this is what the market is going to do. The market, it will drop down, retest, whatever. Look, we're not seeing any Fibonacci yet. I just want you to pay attention. I would tell you, okay, the market is gonna come back in there, and then it's gonna do a small retracement, which is this low, this high here, and then the market will continue down. Where? Look, 4 hours and daily for look, boom, 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 bingo. It hit it perfectly. Now, what I do is obviously I'm teaching you without Fibonacci. Let's go ahead and put the Fibonacci file. Anyway, this Fibonacci, everyone should have it. It's free. I think I have it on the in here. Just bear with me. Where is it? I thought I had it in here. Just bear with me. Oh gosh, I thought I was ready right here. All right, so all you gotta do is press OK, and that's it. Anyway, this Fibonacci here, guys, is free. Nobody on it, and someone on it, not me, but it's free. So look at here, guys. This is, let me go ahead and make this bigger. I hate the bing bing. Let me delete this. Let me close those pages. All right, this is what I would have done. That thing move. Oh gosh, hold on. It was here, right? Right here, exactly. Right here. Look at here. What I would tell you is this is what the market was gonna do from this particular area. I would tell you the market was gonna come back and retest the 23.6 Fibonacci line. Look at the hit, perfect hit. From there, the market was gonna do a small pullback, getting stronger. This brothers and sisters here. And then the market was gonna drop to the next level. I would tell you would it be on the 38, mid 23 to 38 Fibonacci line. I don't lie sometimes to tell you exactly that it's gonna hit that 38. I always said between the 23 to the 38. Why? Because the back data is what is telling me the market is gonna do. So, and that would be a perfect hit. From there, obviously, let's say, and then we come on Wednesday, and I would tell you, okay, brothers and sisters, would it pop in here? We're looking for the previous, for the next 4 hours and daily. Where it's gonna be, I got no idea, but let's do it together because I want you to understand how I analyze the market. So like that, when I analyze the market on the weekend and you are watching my video, you will understand what I'm talking about. Because sometimes people say, how do you do it? How do you come out with this stuff? Because sometimes they're super, super accurate. So in this scenario here, I cannot tell. Let me go to daily. Look at here. Boom, 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 boom. Look at here. You see it here? 4 hours and dailies here. 4 hours and dailies there. So you got to put it in there. Boom. Look at that. Look at all this one. Major ones. I'm always looking for big ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look. Boom. 5. Look at all this here. Super, super powerful. All you got to do is go back to the 4 hours, or either you can put it to anyone. Look at that. There's one in there. There's 4 hours daily and weeklies in there. Super powerful. All you got to do is go to real time. Look at the hit. Boom. Perfect hit. From there, what is the market going to do? It has to bring back. All we know, the market here is bullish. So we're looking for a reversal. So in here, obviously the reversal is going to happen. Where? The previous 4 hours, I don't know, is somewhere in here, the next previous 4 hours in daily. So, and it came and retested in that area. From there, now, since the market is bullish here, we're looking for these guys, right? We're looking for 4 hours, brothers and sisters, all these 4 hours in here. Boom, boom, boom. Look at here, real time. Market is giving us a bullish market. Let me delete all this. And let's zoom in. Write this down, guys. I always zoom out all the way. You have to look at the picture from far away. Step number 2, look what your master trend is doing. Step number 3, look for the previous 4 hours and sister doing. And that is the answer of your trade. Because sometimes you want to know, where should I take my where should I take my entry? Where should I put my stop losses? Your stop loss always has to be above 4 hours and daily dots, guys. Give it at least 30, 40 pips. In case the mark spike out, it will not take you out. Let's say the mark spike out all the way here and then reverse, it will not take you out. But if you put it tie and the market spike out and you put it here, market will take you out. Always give it some room, at least 30, 40 pip above your 4 hours and daily. And then you can just put it whatever you want. Look at here. Also, you can use this Fibonacci retracement here and use your to take your profit on any of this one. The golden area on Fibonacci's are the following. It's 38, 50, and 61. Pay attention what the market is doing right now. It's retesting the golden area. This is our golden area here. Look at these 3 touches in here. Gorgeous guy. Boom, boom, boom. Look, it came in retest our 61 Fibonacci line. Boom. Market tried to pull back and then it's still fighting. Then it came and retested. I mean, this is a pullback. We all know it's coming. This is over. This was over. And then it gave us a pullback here. And it came back and retested again our 61.8 Fibonacci line. What is going to happen? But right now, there's no dots in here. So there's no signal, no clear signal telling you, yes, we are going to be in a bullish market. It wants to go, but it's not ready yet. We're looking for what? We're looking for at least 2, 3 green dots to tell us the market is going to do whatever it's supposed to do. We're looking like this. Look at here. It's not there yet. It's forming, but it's not there. All right, let's do another example. And then I'm going to choose someone so that person can tell you guys if there is a trade or not. So first thing is first, always look at the market from far away. Become the sniper. So in here, look at here. And someone asked me, guys, this is another question that someone asked me. Please, the reason is that you are getting confused is because you are looking at you are so used to trade this way here. So you got no idea what the market is doing. Everything looks so big. You got like, Irvin, I don't understand. Why is this previous a blue there? Why it broke it and so on. So, but this is back data, guys. This is back data. Always look at the real time picture, whatever the market is doing. The only way you're gonna see this is only if you zoom out. Look, right now we're here on the daily. See, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly is telling you, okay, we are in a bullish market. Clean. This is game over. Game over. This is the month of what? The month of September. It formed in there, but it formed weird. So in my opinion, still in a bullish position. Okay, that's step number 2, right? Then all you got to do is look at right now, previous real time. Right now, the market is doing a bearish market. In order for you, let's say you would have taken this trade here. You would have taken this trade down. So what are you looking for in order for you to put your TP? You can put your first TP where? 4 hours and daily. Look, 4 hours and daily, 4 hours and daily. You come here, boom, 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 boom. Perfect. Look at what the market is hitting. It's touching exactly what happens in back data. What is going to happen from there? This is real time. I would tell you guys, okay, market from that point, it will do a small retracement, making this 4 hours and daily stronger, and then market will continue down. Where? Right here. You see that? 4 hours and daily. Boom, 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 boom. Somewhere in here. See right what this 4 hours is here. And that would be over. That's it. Your week is gone. And then you come back and redo the same thing the next following week. Let me see. Someone just put some question in here. Oops. Let me see who's chatting. Angie. All right. All right. Let me go ahead and delete this. So now let's look at this at real time. So that's step number 1, right? Zoom out all the way. Step number 2 is, what is your master trend doing? And what is your previous brothers and sisters doing? All you got to do now is, since you already know where the levels are, just go back and zoom into however you do it. So in here, we already know what's going on. We know the market is hitting exactly in this area here. Let's go ahead and put the Fibonacci. Where is it? Right here, out of Fibonacci retracement. All you got to do is press OK. That's it. Look at here, guys. Look at here. First touch. This is what I would tell you. Remember what I said earlier. I would tell you the market is going to do a retracement, retesting what? Retesting mid 0 and 23 Fibonacci line. That is the first hit here. Look, gorgeous, perfect hit. This is perfect. Then what it's going to do next? It's going to, in my opinion, it's going to come back and retest all this high here, conforming this guy here, this drop. Then the market will drop down to where? Look at this guy. Pay attention. Look at here, brothers and sisters coming in here. What level is that? Golden area. That is my golden area on Fibonacci. Boom. Your week is over. That's it. You win this trade. That's how sometimes when I do my videos, bear with me guys. When I do my videos on YouTube, the world's only looking at this one, guys. I mean, they don't have the system, so they're just looking at these numbers here. I'm teaching you how I do my stuff behind scene. Where are you gonna put your stop loss? 30, 40 pip above your brothers and sisters. Your TP is up to you. You already know. You could put first TP here. Let's say you took 3 positions on this one. First TP is over. You're expecting the next TP to be on the 23. The third one could be on the 38.2 Fibonacci line. You gotta be patient. Here in Forex, patience is everything. You got no patience, this is not for you, to be honest. Because patience is no, usually nobody has the patience, man. Let's do one more. Let's go ahead and bring someone. This is Euro USD, by the way. Look at here, Euro USD on the daily is still dropping. It's retesting this area. Let's go to the 4 hours. Right now, in my opinion, Euro USD is doing a pullback. Look at this one. Look at the 4 hours, guy. Look at this gorgeous trade. Oh my goodness. Look at so much money in here. I told you guys this was going to be a sell. I remember when I took this trade here. I took all the money here, reverse as well, and then I went back up in a bullish. And then I think the following week I told you the market was going to drop. I mean, I told the world. But this is a pullback. Pullback can be easy. It's just matter of knowing how you're gonna do it, but make sure you learn how to grab 30 to 40 pip. Look at this gorgeous trade here on Euro USD. We know now it looks like it's going with the trend. It's not fully ready yet, but look at these touches here. Look at all this. This is what I didn't want you to do. That's why I put this system together, because I didn't want you to be drawing the support and resistance. Support and resistance is already there. Look at here. What are we missing here? 1, 2, 3 dots, right? Then what? What do you think is going to be the next 4 hours in daily? I mean, yeah, the next, I don't know. Let's do it together. Because if this is what my opinion is going to be, this is a bullish market now. So let's look for the next stop. Where is that going to be the next stop? Sometimes you need to go to the daily because you're not going to be able to see on 4 hours. Look at here. This is the next stop. Look. Boom. It's fighting. It's fighting super hard to go to that level, but it's not there yet. Look. Let me zoom in back to normal. This is what the market is going to do, guys. This is how I do mine. Look. From there, I would say market is going to come back and retest our 78 to our 61. Most likely, I would tell you 61 in this one. I would say 61 Fibonacci line. Then the market is going to do a small retracement. Come in here, this low here. Then what? Then the market will continue as bullish. From there, I don't care. The third leg, I really don't care. Because my job is to give you the accuracy of the first leg and second leg. Third one is just gonna, we know it's bullish. That's how I do mine. using our rules. But this is the downside that I give the world is I tell them every single movement because they don't know what you know. Sometimes they go like, Irvin, but this trade, I don't know. I don't understand what pullback is. Well, I'm sorry. I mean, I'm not gonna be teaching them what I'm teaching you here, but this is how I do mine. Hopefully this will help you. Pay attention. Some of those analysis that I don't do signals, but they're pretty dang good ones, guys. Now you knowing how I do my stuff. What you got to do is go back to, I want you to, when I do my Saturday and Sunday, go back to the same one. If I'm analyzing Euro USD, do exact same settings and then zoom out and check, and then you will understand it because the work is already done behind scene. All you got to do is go back and check it out. Let me know. Everyone should have this Fibonacci. It's free anyway. And also I'm gonna give you the book that I have for the Fibonacci. I don't even know where it is. I thought I put it somewhere in here, but I would pin it on the group, so like that you can guys print it out and study. But this is what Eric sent me. Eric, so hopefully Eric will understand where I should be putting my first TP, second TP, and so on. But it's up to you. But this Fibonacci here is awesome. All right. So let's go ahead and bring two traders live. So even if you don't know, I don't care. I want you to understand. This is easy. Look at this USD Canadian dollars here. All right. Unmute yourself, the first one, whoever wants to participate. If you're wrong or right, it's okay. You're here to learn. All right, Joshua, go ahead.
It's bearish.
So we are in a bearish position. So let's say you would have to analyze this market here in a bullish position, right? We know it's doing a pullback. That we clear now. So let's put our rules on the side. So let's say, I just want you to understand, because the question that it came to me was like, Irvin, how are the retracement done and where should I put my TP, stop loss, and so on using Fibonacci, support and resistance? Because this Fibonacci is all support and resistance. All right, so in here, can you mute your background? So first thing first is Joshua. In here, look, it's already done for you. So if you would have to tell the world, okay, what the market is doing, this bull is here, where will you tell them the market will stop? Where would it be your first stop?
I think so. If I would have got in right there, is what you're asking?
Yeah, no. Let's say you got in here, and you're telling everybody, okay, I'm gonna get out where? Here. That's what is very important for you to zoom out. Look at that. That is your first TP.
Okay.
Now, the second stop, look, we're not using Fibonacci yet. And I don't want to put the Fibonacci levels because it will make the job easier. I want you to see the picture naked. And then when the Fibonacci levels come in, everything makes sense. Where will be the next stop that I think market is going to come back and retest is this guy here. Always back data. Fibonacci is back data on this, on how I do mine. I'm gonna give you guys the PDF. The PDF will tell you to pull to the highest, to the low, and so on. But I'm telling you where previous brothers and sisters happens, and those are well respected, because what I build them is the most obvious support and resistance is, and that's what it is. So now we know the next stop will be here. First hit is ready. It's doing it right now. Look at that. Boom. So you would have win this trade. The next one, it has to continue where? We know the market is what? You said it was bearish. So since you say it's bearish, okay, this is what the next stop is gonna be. Market will come back here. Then it's gonna do a small retracement. Retest, the most likely it's gonna come back and retest all this previous high here. And then the market will continue down. The continuation of the trend, I don't care anymore because I already know where the market is heading, because we're looking only for sales. Look at these sales here. That's what we're looking for. Now, let me go ahead and bring the Fibonacci so you guys can see it. All you got to do is press OK. Boom. Let me delete this stuff here. Look at this one here. What would it tell you in this one? Remember what I said earlier? I would tell you market was going to retest a bit mid-0 to our 78. Look, it's doing exactly what I would have told you. I would have win this one. I would have looked good to the world because I'm giving it right information. It has been months where, to be honest, the Fibonacci don't it make me look good, man. It's just the way how I do it. Look, if you would, if anyone would tell you, oh, go ahead and put your TP exactly right on the 78, you're gonna be sure. You're gonna be sure. These are good levels. Don't get me wrong, extremely awesome levels. But I'm looking to this guy here because they're gonna be already draw for you. All you gotta do is zoom out and look where they're sitting, because these are your stop signs. You stop, take a break, come down, then continue back up. That makes sense? Does anybody has a question?
So when you say it continue back up just to that first Fibonacci line, then it's going to continue in the trend down?
Right now, I'm sorry, right now it's coming down. So this pullback is game over. Game over. So since we're looking only for sales in here, because our job is to what? To go with all these guys here. This is our direction of the money. So we're looking only to sell. Look, sell, 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 sell. Ah, real time. This is when you get excited. You got Irvin. This is gorgeous. All I'm missing is what? 1, 2, 3 dot. Then you know where you're gonna be heading to. Obviously, we were doing a pullback, but even pullbacks are freaking awesome. That's good.
So I have one last question. So the pullback is finished, so we could jump in on that 4 hour, but if we jump in on that 4 hour, where would the next brother and sister bearish come in at? Would it come in higher than that 4 hour?
That's a good question. That now we're talking. Let's do it together. Because I don't know, you don't know, nobody here knows. So I'm looking for the previous brothers and sisters. Pay attention. The market is sitting right here, right on this level here. Look at here. There's another one here. And the next one is going to be right on the level, right here on the 61. You got two. You can take your first TP there, second TP. You seeing it, right? See here? That's what I highlight these levels here in yellow, because it's easy for you guys to see it. See that yellow there? That's the one. Second one. Look at this, all the one here, right on the level on the 61. Now all you got to do is go back to 4 hours and do whatever you have to do. Obviously, market is, we still need more data. Look, nothing is there. That's why I'm telling you, if it's not ready, it's not ready. But yes, the first drop will be here. Then it's gonna do a small retracement, making this drop stronger. In my opinion, it's gonna come back in here the next previous 4 hours. Somewhere in there. Pay attention when I do my analysis on Sunday. It will make sense, man. If you guys do follow the same direction I'm telling you right now, everything will make sense. Because this is about practice. This makes me money, man. The next stop will be, we all know, next stop is gonna be mid 23, and well, we know it's gonna coming down because it's bearish. Look, I didn't know this level was here. Neither you. Nobody knew here. Anyone will tell you, yeah, come back and take your TP on the 100 Fibonacci. I would tell you no, come halfway down. Get your money and get out. That makes sense?
Yep.
Okay, good. Let's do one more. Who else want to participate? Let's pick any pair. It doesn't matter. Is Eric here? Because he's the one who asked me this. Let me check. I don't think he's here. Who want to participate? Is Elliott here? Let's do gold.
I'm here.
All right, Elliott, let's do this one. Let me remove the Fibonacci because don't look at the chart because I don't want you to tell them. All right, cool. All right, so this is a good one. All right, first is what is your master trend doing? Is bearish, right?
Right, exactly.
So okay, we understand we are doing a pullback.
Yes.
So let's say you analyze this real pullback here. So, and first thing first is you don't know where's the stop, where it's gonna stop. So it's no data telling you here because we're zooming out too much. So let's go ahead and let's zoom out more. All right, so sometimes you're not gonna be able to see it, so you gotta go to the daily time frame. So all you're doing, not even the daily, look at this one. It has been bullish for over 2 years. We all know that. So there's no record of this one. So what is gonna happen is market, let's go to the weekly. This is a good example here. Over 2 years, the market been bullish. There's no record. This is a good one here. This is very challenging. This is why it will confuse anyone. So now all we can do is analyze the market on previous 4 hours here. So all I can say, let me know if you get confused on this one, okay? Because this is what I would do on this one. I will tell you on these levels here. I will tell you, okay, the market is gonna come back because look, I like to see brothers and sisters, but in this scenario, since the market been bullish for over 2 years, it's just retesting all this previous high here because there is no record back data. Look at this. It's coming and touching exactly in this. We know this is bullish. So Elliott, what are we looking in this scenario here?
Okay, well, it's a pullback right now, and I would wait for a 4-hour down arrow with a couple of dots.
Perfect.
And then look to enter and maybe set a take profit down by the first green arrow to the left of where present time is, or there where the brothers and sisters are.
Okay. Yes, that could be one. But remember, the most strongest one is always gonna be this guy here. This is
Right.
this is the lowest one we have. It has to break this, Elliott. Then it's gonna come back and retest this guy here. This is gonna be the pullback here, retest, and then continue back down. So we see it in there. So let's go ahead and put the Fibonacci. This is very difficult here because this is market being bullish. There's no back data record on gold. Let's go ahead and pull our fifth. Okay, let's press OK. Look at this one. Where is this guy sitting? Look, pay attention to this one, Elliott.
Mm-hmm.
Anyone would tell you here, the market is going to come back and retest their 78. No. You would tell them, okay, market is going to do a poop. It's going to drop between 61 and 78. Boom. Where? These two guys here.
Right.
Then from there, we know the market is gonna do what? It's have to take a break.
It's
right?
it's gonna retrace.
Right.
Back up to could be this.
All this level here. See?
Right. That green level, which is also very close, a little bit above the 61.8.
You got it.
And I always, if I'm going down, I put my take profit ahead of the lower zone, or if I'm going up, I put my take profit below the line, because you don't know if it's going to bounce off there or whether it's going to just fire through. It may not even touch sometimes.
Yep, that's it. But this is a challenging one.
Now, this leads me to a question.
Yeah.
So let's just say that the market is, this is just any market, is bearish, so it's going down, and you have a down arrow with 2 dots, but it's like somewhere in the middle of Tokyo. Do you wait till after London starts to enter, or do you go for it then?
Usually the way how I enter mines, Elliot, is I like to enter on between the New York and the London. Unless if I'm scalping the market, then to be honest, I don't really care. As long the rules are in order, then because Forex is all about patience. If you don't have that patience, it's not gonna work for anyone. Because a lot of people think, okay, just because the brothers and sisters popping in there, I'm gonna make money immediately. It's not gonna happen. These are support and resistance.
No, exactly. That's why last week I took a short on the Audi CAD. It took a couple of days before it hit my take profit. And during those couple of days, sometimes it was down a little bit, sometimes it was up a little bit, until it finally made its move and cashed me out with a little bit of profit, with a lot of profit, actually. Right. So yeah, patience is absolutely important, because this thing isn't going to just click over into profit automatically.
But a lot of people think that is what is going to happen.
That's why it's not really an ATM machine.
Yeah. Now look at this guy. This is why it was a very challenging. And thank you, Elliott, for this one. This is a good learning experience here. There's no back data record of this one. Look at this guy. Market been bullish since August 2018.
2 years.
Over 2 years.
Over 2 years.
And look, nobody's talking about this. Why? Simply because this is how they trade.
I'll tell you something. 2 years ago, it would have been really great for me to know that the gold market was bullish.
Look, I mean, now you know. I mean, probably in 2 years. I don't know how long you'll be trading, but look, now you're seeing a clean what the market is doing. We know now you can say, okay, let me delete this. Sometimes I forget how I delete this. Okay. Now we have everyone line up. So what is currently the market is doing in this present time here? All the rules are met in here. So from May to August, either those 2 months, we are in September, guys. Market been bullish. I'm sorry, bearish. It gave us a bearish signal back in, yes, actually 2 years, exactly. Look at that, August. August to August. But when did the monthly come in, Elliott?
August 25th-ish.
No.
The end of August, actually, it would have to be.
September.
Right.
This is September. Now, yes, we went over those 2 years. So now we're looking for bearish position. Remember what I told you guys, September is going to be bearish. Look for bearish position to next year, guys. And then in December, I'm going to show you a different scenario how you can do that. You can do from 4 hours to 4 hours, guys. And January and February is going to be super, super slow. But I will go over it when that time comes. But right now, we know the market is in a down position. Look at how clean it is. There's money to be made here. We know this is a pullback clean. Look at this huge engulfing candle here, pulling everybody's leg. All the news are going crazy. Doing what? They're all put in position here as a buy. Buy. Let's say Elliott, myself, Mark, whoever, we all going bullish. And then boom, market will drop. And another two guys, always pay attention. I forgot the gentleman that introduced me this. Let me see if I can bring it here. Go to, let me bring it here. Go to my FX book and pay attention here. Look, try to go short. Look at what Euro USD is doing right now. So 66% is going bearish. Yes, if our multiple time frame goes with this with whatever is telling you here, take that trade. If not, usually a lot of people are gonna still go in bullish. We know the market is bullish. Euro USD is just doing a pullback. It has the monthly there alone, but what happened? The 4 hours daily and weekly are not all together. So in my mind, market is still in a buy position. Right now, it's doing a pullback, still doing a pullback. But this is a good way to cheat. Look at here, for instance. Look at this pair here. I don't know what that is. This is an exotic pair. Oh, there's a lot of exotic pair. They are in profit. Look, everybody they're all in negative here. Yeah, I don't see anything. Gold. Look at what gold is doing, guys. Look, what's that? 96% are selling. Look at that 4%. What is that 4%? It's going right now. You seeing it? What was the market doing in gold, Elliott?
Well, it was going up.
Yeah, it was going up.
Pullback.
Right now, look at the positive points in there on the bull market. 75.49. I don't know how to read that, but I think it's 75 pips or whatever. But it's in positive. Market is in a buy position as we speak right now. Look at what you're seeing right now. Let's go and check it out so you can see it. Look at that. That's huge. But everybody's selling. We all know the market is in a sell position. So now, since you guys know exactly how rules work, you got no business here. Sure, you can scalp the market, but you better grab those 20, 30 pips and get out. But right now, we do not have any confirmation telling you the market is in a sell position. Look at 96% of the traders still selling. Wait, it's nothing here yet. You want to be ready when the market is ready to go. When this guy pop in, go. When these two guys pop in, go. There's nothing in real time here. And that's how I do Fibonacci. So my next stop will be, yeah, sure, I can say market is gonna come back and retest the 23. The next one will be where? Here. And it will continue down. But maybe it's gonna be bearish all the way to 2023, Elliott. This is a good way to be in this market. We're looking for sale. This, in my opinion, for the rest of the year, guys, only look for sales. If market is gonna do bad, it will drop, not go up. Okay. Hopefully that answered the question to Eric and help you guys understand how I do things. Let me read some of the question here. I wish they can come live. GBP CHF was great today. I don't know. Let's check. Let's check. Who else want to participate beside Elliott? Let's do one more. GBP, what's that? GBP CHF. Let's see what that market is doing, because I don't know. Right here. Oops. It's taking his time to read it. All right, who want to come? Who want to do this example here? If nobody want to do it, then I'll let Elliott do it for you guys.
Swiss was a good one.
All
Can
right.
you hear me?
Yes, sir. Hold on for a
How you
second.
doing, Urban?
Good, good. All right, let's do this one then. You do
So
it.
yeah, this was definitely my money
Don't
maker
say
today.
anything. Don't say anything. Let me delete everything.
All right.
Because I don't want anybody to see where the levels are and so on. Okay, first question. What is your first question that you're looking on this trade here?
Well, just to start off, with the bigger, I like to look at the 4 hour and a daily. 4 hours telling me right now I should be looking for shorts.
No.
So today was a great example. During London, after the news came out, I was looking for shorts.
But look, you got to go in order. I see you going all the way to rule number 2 already. First one is always pay attention who you're going to be trading with.
The overall trend, yes.
Right. So in here, you trade in pullback, right?
Yes, this is a pullback.
Right. So we don't have no Fibonacci here. If you enter and that drop there, where will you put your first TP?
Honestly, it would have probably been that yellow line there to your bottom. Because you're right. In looking at it, I mean, not that one. The next one, the one to your far right, but the next one, bottom. No, the other way.
This one.
Because remember, I got in for shorts. You're talking about longs or shorts? Are we talking about today?
You're talking about the drop, right? So
yes.
Yeah, if we analyze this one, this is what I would tell you to do. I would look at this guy here. If there's no record here, guys, look here. Look more down,
to the left.
Way back, yeah. But always look at the most recent 4 hours and daily. So yes, you can say, okay, you can put your first TP there. Boom, done. Second TP where?
That next yellow.
Boom. So now you know. You don't need the Fibonacci levels already.
Yeah.
But let's say there's a lot of traders that still don't understand this. They go like, no, Irvin, I'm sorry.
What question to you?
Go ahead.
Do you advise, because yes, 4 hours is great, and people have to remember, you have to think about each of those candles represents 4 hours. So if we're talking in the noun, you definitely want to go to the smaller time frame and make sure it's matching up with what you're currently seeing before you take the trade.
Look, whatever you find on 4 hours and daily, it has to be doing it on any lower time frame.
Got it. Yeah.
It's like our kids. We are the larger time frame. We tell them when to sit down, when to eat, and all stuff. They follow our direction. These guys here are our boss.
Yo, because you'll be surprised how much these little arrows on the smaller time frames move, but they respect the bigger time frames.
Of course.
So yeah, the 15-30 minute is just to say, yeah, look and see what's going on, but worry about what the 4 hour and daily is doing when you're taking your trade, and you always come out on top, or at least 80%.
Yeah, that's what the money is on the larger time frame. That's when the cash is.
And that's a fact. So I do appreciate you telling the truth on that, because a lot of people are not even telling people that.
Right. Look at this one. Look. Where did your golden area hit the first level? Look. Boom.
This was a beautiful one.
50.
And it's crazy because I have a golden rule. Once I hit 100 pips, I'm done for the day, which I made about 7:30 this morning. So I've just been watching this sucker drop the rest of the day in tears.
Oh my God.
But in following my rules, I know that I only want my 100 and I'm out for the day.
But that's good because you were against the trend. You didn't know.
Yeah. Not only that, I mean, the pound Swiss doesn't drop like this every day. So it's just best to get what you can and get out.
Well, where did you get in on this trade?
All right, so key fact I took from Irving was taking trades at, hold on. Matter of fact, let me pull up my history and I can tell you exact entries and exits.
Probably on that 38 reversal, or maybe that 23.
All right, so I like to get in, like they said, during London session. My entry for the pound Swiss this morning at 431 was 1.2036. I got in 2 times.
Oh, wow. He entered very early.
Oh, so you're in really early. So you came off the brothers and sisters and went short on a pullback.
Correct.
Oh, I got it. Because I was trying to figure out which arrow you used. Now I know. Thanks, man.
No problem.
That's
and
good.
The key for that, fellas, if anyone's interested, before I took this trade, looked at the news, made sure that there was nothing going on for the euro or the pound, continued to follow that strength meter, which was already showing that pound was weak from like 1:30 a.m. this morning. saw that everything matched up, took it, no fear, took the shot, no fear.
GBP chaff. Let's look what's going on here. That's good, man. That's a good one. See, you got confidence on pullbacks. Some people, pullback is not an issue. If you know how to do it,
Oh, pullbacks are, yeah. I just started getting confidence on pullbacks because just following price. But yes, the best one from when you taught me when we did our one-on-one is definitely following the trends. It's a lot easier.
Yeah.
But you don't get trends every day.
Yeah. Look at here. Market's still in a buy position here. It's still 58 pips above the losses here. But still, look.
Yeah, you're right.
So it's good. Where's it? Right here. Yeah, man, that was a good one, man. That's look, it hit your first 50 Fibonacci. This fifth is good, man. If you pay attention, look, this 4 hours in daily, guys, is well respected. Look, the next one that he said, the market's still dropping. We know the next stop was gonna be here, 78, our golden area. You done, man. You did great.
Yep.
Taking your whatever
Done
pip
by
you got.
7:30 this morning.
Yeah, that's it. You're done. Game over.
But it's hard just sitting on the sidelines and watching it still dropping. But the key is follow the plan, make your picks for the day, and get out. Because like I said, this doesn't happen every day. So
it doesn't happen then. Yeah.
So you were up during London? Is
always Monday through Thursday.
Where do you live? Just time zone?
Maryland.
Oh, so you're East Coast. So
East
London
Coast.
Is what, 3 o'clock in the morning?
4 o'clock, and I'm trading by, London, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Right. Got it.
That's good, man. This is a good one.
I'm in California, so London is, oh my God, I can't get up that
that's
early.
Brutal. That's got to be brutal for you.
Oh, it is. It is. I was much happier when I was on the East Coast.
Favor naps, daily naps. That's brutal.
Yeah. The market don't want Elliott to make money, man. That's messed up. But
there was a long period of time where I thought that, Irving.
yeah. But yeah, man. But hopefully you guys are finding value of this one. This is how I do my things, guys. That's why, when I do this, sometimes if I analyze 13 pairs, those 13 pairs are top notch. If you do this over and over, it's about confidence, man. Once you know the rules by heart,
yeah, that's true too. Because since I took your training a while back, just setting my rules, knowing what I want, following that's the key.
Look,
the days I don't
follow
it, where greed kicks in, or I wake up and forget to take my coffee, I pay for it dearly. But when I do follow rules, it's like it's amazing how simple it is if you follow rules.
Yep. But never look at the market.
I'm going to go on mute now.
All right, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Never look at the market. No problem. Never look at the market like zoom out all the way. Look at the market for miles and miles away. Remove the Fibonacci. Get to know before you add the Fibonacci at a later time. But I want you to understand where was your previous 4 hours and daily at. And then you understand. And now everything will make sense. I'm gonna give you guys the book that I practice Fibonacci. But the way how they teach you in the book is to tell you, differently than what I'm telling you right now. But this are golden area here, guys. This all 4 hours and daily is super, super gorgeous. Look, it's respecting, it's still dropping. Look, if it still would be in this trade, oh my God. But hey, he has a rules, right? 100 pips and he's out. So it's all about not being greedy.
That brings me to one other question, if I may.
Sure.
So if you, on the chart that we're at, you go back to the last brother and sister at the top there, which is shortly where he took his trade. So let's say you don't see it there, but you see it, 12 hours later, and the candles have gone down. What, in your opinion, do you use to judge that, hey, this isn't going to stop now and retrace, it's still going to go?
That's difficult.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's difficult. Because you see, basically what you're going to be doing here is you're going to be chasing the market. And don't in my opinion, is don't chase the market. Let the market come to you. Now, what I would do, let's say, this is me. I will wait for that pullback to drop, at least to retest your golden area. Remember, golden is 38, 50, and 61. Let's say it comes and retested in there, and then it does that small pullback and come back and give you the second entry again on the 23. But this is a pullback, man. This is dangerous. But let's say this is going with the trend, and it come and retest your entry again right here on the 23, because you miss all this drop here.
Right.
And you put your entry here, and then you go with it. And then
I see.
you can trail stop manually, in my opinion. That's all I can think of it. No other way around. But this is a good example. Hopefully you guys go back to your chart, man. Whenever I do Saturday and Sunday, take your time, remove the Fibonacci. This is gonna help you tremendously. And look at this knowledge that you're acquiring here. You can compete with any senior trader. You will know the answers in seconds versus what they're gonna tell you in 10, 15 minutes. Because the way how most likely all the instructor that teach is always popping up the candles way too much. And they want to know what the market is doing like this level right now, man. This is the secret here. Look at how clean, boom, bullish, going bullish. That's what we're looking for. That's what the money is. All right. Let me read one more question. Let me see. Okay, he already came in line. All right, guys. So I think that's all I have. We can meet tomorrow if you guys want. Guys, if you guys have any question, any video that you want me to make, and you guys can participate and get your whatever doubt that you may have and try to answer you in live trading, it's good, because I don't want to do one recording behind scene and help you personally, whoever's going to ask the question. I want everybody to join here and ask question, and this is the only way you're going to be able to learn. Okay, so thank you, Elliott. Appreciate it. Thank you, everyone.
No problem, baby.
And I will see you guys tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna do the analysis for the rest of the Saturday and Sunday, and you will see everything will make sense. Obviously, I'm not gonna be mentioning the brothers and sisters, but you guys will see it. All right. So thank you again, guys, and stay safe. And I will see you tomorrow then.
Thanks.
All right. Bye bye then.